We had received an information, on the night of 8, that is the last night of 8, between 8 and 9. So accordingly, our teams were formed in Margao Town Police Station, and 3 victim girls have been rescued, and 2 accused have been arrested in the case of trafficking of females and the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act. Both the accused they were operating in Margao area, and they had procured these guns through their sources. These guns are from outside the state, and further investigation is in progress.
Some names of the accused.
One is Arman Khan, he is 29 years old, and another one is Tejas Marathe, he is 19 years.
Staying here only, Margao?
Yes. Now, we had received this video through social media and through messaging services. Prima facie, looking into the incident, the concerned staff has been placed under suspension pending inquiry.